Yo, what is up everybody? It's Alan and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into the world of beast drones, where cutting-edge tech meets breathtaking aerial photography. Buckle up because we're about to explore the hottest drones of 2024. Machines that redefine what's possible in the air. We're talking crystal clear 4K footage, mind-blowing stability, and intelligent features that'll make you feel like a pilot from the future. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your drone journey, this video is your ultimate guide to finding the perfect aerial companion. Let's get this show on the road. First up, we're talking about the DJI Mavic 3 series, the undisputed kings of the drone game. I mean, these things are legendary for a reason, right? They're like the iPhones of the drone world. Sleek, powerful, and packed with features that make your jaw drop. What makes a drone a beast in 2024? Well, let's break it down. First off, we're talking about serious flight time. Imagine this, you're flying your drone, capturing epic shots, and you're not constantly stressing about battery life. The Mavic 3 series laughs in the face of short flights, boasting up to 46 minutes of airtime on a single charge. That's almost an hour of creative freedom, people. But wait, there's more. These beasts are packing some serious camera firepower. We're talking 4K resolution, super smooth, slow motion capabilities, and image quality that'll make your viewers think you've got a Hollywood budget. Low light? No problem. The Mavic 3 series scoffs at darkness, capturing stunning detail even when the sun goes down. And let's not forget about stability. Remember the days of shaky drone footage that made you nauseous? Yeah, those days are long gone. The Mavic 3 series comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal that'll make your footage smoother than butter. But hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the tech that makes these drones truly intelligent. Obstacle avoidance, my friends. The Mavic 3 series can practically dodge bullets, or at least trees and buildings, thanks to its advanced sensors. And if you're tired of manually controlling every little movement, say hello to automated flight modes. These bad boys can literally fly themselves, capturing cinematic shots that'll blow your audience away. Orbiting a subject, tracking a moving car, you name it, the Mavic 3 can handle it. And if you're worried about range anxiety, fear not. The Mavic 3 series boasts an impressive control range, allowing you to explore further and capture shots you never thought possible. We're talking miles, people, miles. But the real magic of the Mavic 3 series? It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. It's about that feeling of pure freedom and creativity when you launch this beast into the air. It's about capturing shots that make you say, damn, I can't believe I just did that. The DJI Mavic 3 series isn't just a drone, it's a game changer. It's a tool that empowers you to tell stories from a whole new perspective. All right, folks. Now let's talk about another heavyweight contender in the drone arena, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. This drone is all about portability without sacrificing power. It's like the ninja of the drone world, small but mighty. Now you might be thinking, Alan, how can a compact drone be a beast? Well, my friends, let me tell you, this little guy packs a punch. The Evo Lite Plus is designed for adventurers, for creators who are always on the move and never compromise on quality. Let's start with its superpower portability. This drone is so compact that it practically fits in your back pocket. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. It's incredibly easy to transport, whether you're hiking up a mountain or hopping on a plane. But don't let its size fool you. The Evo Lite Plus comes equipped with a camera that's ready to capture the world in stunning detail. We're talking 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or breathtaking landscapes, this drone delivers. And just like the Mavic 3 series, the Evo Lite Plus boasts impressive flight time. You can stay in the air for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which is insane for a drone this size. That means more time capturing epic shots and less time worrying about battery life. But what really sets the Evo Lite Plus apart is its long-range transmission system. This thing can fly far, my friends, and I'm not talking about a few feet. We're talking miles of range, allowing you to explore and capture footage from distances you never thought possible. And for all you FPV enthusiasts out there, the Evo Lite Plus has got you covered. Its low-latency video transmission ensures a seamless and immersive flying experience. It's like you're right there in the cockpit, soaring through the sky. But hold on, there's one more thing that makes the EvoLite Plus a true beast. Durability. This drone is built tough, with a rugged design that can withstand the elements. Whether you're flying in windy conditions or navigating through tight spaces, the EvoLite Plus can handle it. So, there you have it, the Autel Robotics EvoLite Plus, the compact powerhouse that proves you don't need a massive drone to capture beastly footage. It's the perfect companion for adventurers and creators who are always on the go. All right, folks, get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to enter the world of autonomous flight with the Skydio 2. Plus, this drone is like the self-driving car of the sky, intelligent, aware, and capable of capturing shots that'll make your jaw drop. Now, what makes the Skydio 2 Plus a beast in the world of drones? Well, it's simple. This drone can practically fly itself. I'm not kidding. Skydio has developed some of the most advanced autonomous flight technology on the planet, and it's on full display with the 2 Plus. Imagine this. You launch the drone, and it just starts following you, effortlessly avoiding obstacles and framing you perfectly in the shot. No more awkward selfies, no more shaky footage, just pure cinematic magic. The Skydio 2 Plus uses a network of 6 4K cameras to see and understand its surroundings in real time. It's like having eyes everywhere, allowing the drone to navigate complex environments with ease. Whether you're mountain biking through a forest or exploring a crowded city, the Skydio 2 Plus can keep up. But the intelligence of this drone goes beyond just obstacle avoidance. The Skydio 2 Plus comes pre-programmed with a variety of cinematic shot modes that will make you look like a pro, even if you've never flown a drone before. Want to capture a dramatic reveal shot? No problem. The Skydio 2 Plus can fly backward, away from your subject, while keeping them perfectly framed in the shot. It's like something out of a Hollywood movie, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take manual control of the drone using the Skydio app. But honestly, once you experience the magic of autonomous flight, you might never want to go back. But here's the thing about the Skydio 2 Plus that really blows my mind. It's constantly learning and improving. Skydio is constantly updating the drone's software with new features and capabilities. So even if you think you've seen it all, the Skydio 2 Plus will always find a way to surprise you. The Skydio 2 Plus isn't just a drone, it's a glimpse into the future of autonomous flight. It's a drone that's not only incredibly fun to fly, but also capable of capturing shots that were once thought impossible. So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible drones that represent the pinnacle of aerial photography and filmmaking in 2024. Each one of these beasts brings something unique to the table. Whether it's the all-around excellence of the DJI Mavic 3 series, the portability and long-range capabilities of the Autel Robotics EvoLite Plus, or the mind-blowing autonomous flight of the Skydio 2 Plus. Choosing the right drone for you ultimately comes down to your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for the best of the best and money is no object, the Mavic 3 series is the obvious choice. But if you're on a tighter budget or prioritize portability, the EvoLite Plus is an incredible value. And if you're ready to embrace the future of autonomous flight, the Skydio 2 Plus will blow your mind. No matter which drone you choose, one thing is for sure. The world of aerial photography and filmmaking has never been more exciting. So get out there, explore, and capture some epic footage.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.